Hey everyone, in this video we will review Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is a great tool for home service businesses, helping with scheduling, invoicing, and payments. Many users appreciate how simple it is to organize jobs, track customer history, and communicate with clients effectively. The mobile app is a great feature, allowing technicians to update job details, send invoices, and collect payments while on the go. However, some users feel that pricing is a bit high, especially for smaller companies just starting. It offers a basic plan at $59 per month, an essential plan at $149 per month, and a max plan by contacting them. Customer support is generally responsive and helpful, but response time is slow. It integrates well with QuickBooks and other tools, making financial management smoother. Frequent software updates bring new features, but some users have reported occasional glitches that can disrupt workflow. Despite minor issues, the platform remains at the top choice of growing service businesses that need an all-in-one solution. Overall, Housecall Pro offers a reliable and efficient way to streamline operations and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.